Hello world, Adele here, and welcome to my channel and welcome to our sunny bedroom. So as I said in a previous video, one of my goals for this year was to really dedicate time to giving this bedroom a makeover. We've lived in this apartment for 3.5 years already and have really neglected this space. Our walls have been bare, our sheets are just very neutral, and I wanted to add some life and add some color to this bedroom. I want this bedroom to feel like a retreat for us and kind of like this urban oasis type of feel. After searching on Pinterest, I did find a lot of bohemian styles that I've been really into. Images that I kept saving were these kind of half circle or circular kind of feature walls within the bedroom, and I wanted to recreate that here and create kind of this faux headboard. We do have a headboard on our bed, but it's very low profile, so we wanted to recreate this. Well, I think I had most of the say in this, but I wanted to recreate this feature wall in our bedroom. So this is just the first part of a series in which I'm walking you guys through our bedroom makeover. Now this right now is the nicest part of our bedroom. The rest is a mess. But I'm still waiting on a few other pieces to make sure that this whole room comes together and we get this bedroom on and popping. That sounded a little nasty. So if you guys want to see how we recreated this faux headboard, please keep watching. Alright, so we had to clear the space that we are painting, so we are just removing the frames that were on the wall, pulling the bed forward. We have a rug right under the foot of the bed, so we had to kind of pull that out from under and just push everything forward. Our room is pretty big. It's about 15 by 17, I would say. So we have enough space where we can just shift everything forward. And of course there was a whole bunch of dust and nastiness behind the bed. It's been a while since we've cleaned back there. And here we're just measuring the length of the wall completely. So I wanted to find the exact middle. Our bed was originally positioned kind of off center, kind of just what felt right to us as the middle, but without any measurements. So we had to measure that, and then also you got to make sure you clean off your wall of any dust or debris, any little cobwebs, anything that's on there. And as I cleaned the walls, my husband just patched up the holes in which we had the frames hanging. So now what I'm doing is I first found the top of the arch that I wanted to create. So I made a little mark on the wall, found the top and the height basically of how high I wanted the arch to go, and I placed my pencil there while my husband then pulled a long string, and we had to go all the way around creating the circumference of a circle, but also making sure you're pulling your string extremely tight. So next up we had to protect our floors and our baseboard. So what I did was just take the shower curtain lining. We were getting rid of it anyways and putting in a new one. So I used this to protect our floor, took some painter's tape and just made sure everything was nice and secure, and made sure we're getting those nice clean lines at the bottom of our wall. We grabbed this Bare Premium Plus flat interior paint from Home Depot, and this color is called Melon Sorbet, and orange is just one of my favorite colors. I love orange, peachy, pinks type of things, so this was like the perfect color for me. It wasn't too dark, it wasn't too light, it was just perfect summery color. So this is what we decided to go with, and it really does remind me of ice cream and deliciousness. And then with a 1.5 inch brush, we just went over the outline of our circle or our arch, and we just wanted to make sure that those lines are nice and clean. Our wall is a little bit textured, and we do have flat paint currently on the wall, so it's a little bit harder to get that nice smooth surface, but my husband taught me that once you apply pressure, it should come out nice and smooth, and the paint will then spread out and create that nice crisp line. At this point, he just took over creating the outline, and I'm just going in with my roller brush and filling in our circle and putting on that first layer of paint. We ended up doing 2 layers of paint and letting the paint dry for an hour in between each layer. Then once we finished our second coat, we let that dry for about 2 hours. Okay, so this was a very exciting moment for me. I could not wait to take that tape off and see those crisp lines at the bottom and just see the end result. I was very anxious and wanted to do this sooner, but my husband warned me not to. So I'm just happy I waited until everything dried. Everything was nice and neat, which I loved. There was just a little bit of bleeding, but that was super easy to cover up. And here is the finished wall. It's super bright. It makes me so happy each time I look at it. It just changes my mood completely, and I feel like that's exactly what this room needed. It was just too boring before and super bland and bare, but now we have this feature wall and this faux headboard, and I just love it. Okay, so what do you guys think of the wall? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you in part 2 of our bedroom makeover. Bye!